I think Stevens student athletes are driven, motivated, they have an eye on their future. We aim to provide our student athletes with the best experience possible. Stevens is a NCAA Division III school. We have 13 sports for men, 12 sports for women. We participate in the Middle Atlantic Conference and the MAC Freedom Conference.
Athletics is such an important part of the Stevens experience. When we come to a game, we really get that sense of community, of pride, of excitement to cheer on the Ducks.
I came out for a visit and I fell in love with campus the first minute I stepped foot on it. Being able to see New York City for the first time, seeing how close all the guys were with each other, just really made it feel like home.
I found people who truly will push me to be the best version of myself, and I'm really grateful for that opportunity.
Our student athletes do an amazing job with their academics. The average team grade point average is over 3.6.
Stevens has a very unique curriculum and it's challenging, but it's very rewarding.
It's very inclusive and every freshman that comes into our team feels welcomed.
I had a lot of upperclassmen guide me through the classes I need to take, and I'm extremely grateful for the family and community I have here.
I have close friends on pretty much every sports team here at Stevens, so it's very nice for me to be able to go and see these people that I enjoy spending my time with and then be able to watch them explore their passions on the field, on the court, wherever else it may be.
We have an elite coaching staff. They work extremely hard.
I attribute a lot of our athletic success to the dedicated professionals that we have on staff with full-time strength and conditioning coaches, athletic trainers on staff, and just the passion that people bring to this program.
I have people that came in and graduated that I've already talked to about jobs. It's great to have this as both a connection and also just as a network.
I think the students really kind of get a sense of where they're heading. There's a belief that they're taking all the steps that they need to be very successful.
A lot of the girls I know are in the same classes as me. Our coaches really know how our academics are challenging here.
There are days where it will feel hard, but they know that when they put the jersey on and when they compete for their school, that it's completely worth it, and they really thrive on that.
Alumni networking and relationships is a huge part of our program. It's one of the things I take pride in as a coach.
Do you have ambition for the game? Do you have that same ambition for your career and a STEM subject? And are you going to ultimately fit the DNA here at Stevens?
Show your passion for your career aspirations. Show us that you want to be here and be a member of the Ducks family.
Having these friendships and this camaraderie between everybody at the school, it's unlike any I've ever had before. I just look forward to the next 3-4 years that I'm here for, perfecting my game and giving back to the school as much as I can.
It shows on the field because all our teams in every season have been super successful in the conference. It looks really good for Stevens.
Super exciting place, very diverse campus, so many opportunities to be involved athletically, academically, in your hobbies, your interests.
And you might find yourself achieving something you might not have thought possible. And that is what we do here, and we love a good challenge. So if that's what you're into, this might be the place for you.